Good morning, everybody. I did my comic strip on Piaget's four theories of development. So if you'll see over here, here is a baby, and that is baby Huey. This developmental stage is the first one of Piaget's, where, well, let me read the comic strip. It says, "Hello, I am baby Huey. My balloon floated into another room. I can't see it, but I know it's there because I'm in the sensory motor state and know about object permanence. I also have a schema and know that if I cry hard enough, mom will come running to get my balloon." Wah! So, for those of you who have children, I don't know if you remember this, but I used to do this with all my children. I would throw a blanket over me, then pull it down, and I play peekaboo. So a baby who's in this stage is knows that mom hasn't just, or the parent hasn't just disappeared and is gone. They know that they're in fact mom is or dad is behind that blanket. So the same thing here with baby Hewitt, since he's in that stage already, he knows his balloon has floated away into another room, but he knows it's not completely disappeared. He knows that that balloon is just around the corner. In schema, which is a word I used from one of the readings, it's sort of, they describe it as prior experiences that are saved like files in your brain, and they can be pulled out to when there are situations where you could use it, and it's like a point of reference. So baby Huey already has that file on his mom, and he knows that if he cries, and he knows that prior situations that his mom will come and rescue him. All right, so on my next comic strip, it says, "Hello, I am 6.5 years old. I'm in the pre-operational stage and enjoy playing superhero with my friends." So in this stage, children are already playing role playing, and they are already creating role play with each other and playing in the playground. However, they are in an egocentric. So that means that they still just play side by side. There's not so much of the interaction, but they're just there playing with them. They're still very egocentric, self-centered, or me-centered. On the next one here, it says there's a little boy, and these are building blocks or Legos. And it says, "Hello, I'm 9 years old. According to Piaget, I'm in the concrete state. I love playing with Legos and building cool stuff." So this stage, you're already starting to create things, think a little bit more, use more of that operational stage and thinking of how to do things, but yet not too involved with abstract thoughts. And here we have the last fourth stage of Piaget's theories. And it says, what, this little boy here. And I made him look a little bit like my son, who's also 12, and he likes playing with cubes. And this is a Rubik's Cube. That is actually requiring a little more abstract thinking. And this boy's name is David, and he's 12, and he's already in the formal operational state. So he's able to not just play with the cubes, like here with the Legos, but he's actually using abstract thought to create patterns and of thought to help him solve this cube. And it says, "What's up?" Which is kind of like how my son talks already. "I'm 12. I'm in the formal operational state. So, of course, I know everything. I'm also the best at solving my Rubik's Cube." So, there you have it. The four stages of developmental thinking by Piaget. Thanks.